In today's video, we're going to take apart these heavy-duty batteries for their manganese dioxide. And we're going to convert this manganese dioxide to manganese chloride. So here we have the battery. We want to first take out this plastic coating. So I'll go ahead and do that. So here I got the plastic shell off. And you can see that the bottom electrode actually falls out. Typically it's just loosely attached. And if you look closely, you can see that the top positive electrode isn't actually connected to the rest of the battery casing. And so what we want to do is we want to lift up the casing of the battery and then peel it away. So I'm going to find something to peel this away and I'll be right back. So you can see I'm starting to lift up the battery's casing a bit. So you want to try to get this plastic ring completely loose so you can pull it out. I'll be right back. You can see that the plastic ring is essentially free from the metal casing. So what you want to do now is you want to try and lift up the metal and lift it up, and you should see this black rod inside. That is the graphite electrode. You want to pull that out using some sort of pliers. These work, I guess. Maybe not. So when I grab it, and then you want to twist it and pull it out. And it comes out just like that. And it's essentially ready for use if you want to make like electric arc furnace or something. There. Put it off to the side. And then you can see there is this plastic coating surrounding our manganese dioxide, and we have to take that out. Just lift it up. It comes out super easily. And that black material, that's the manganese dioxide. If you look closely, there's like this paper coating. When you pull out your manganese dioxide, you don't want to bring that with you. If you do, it's fine, but you want to try and avoid bringing that paper coating along. Turn on the light to help you see better. You can see that paper coating right there. Then there's this manganese dioxide right here. So you want to take something, we want to pull it out without pulling out the paper. Manganese dioxide is super messy, so you want to try and keep it contained. And it might look like I'm using a lot of force, but I'm really not. Oops. It comes out relatively easily. So try and keep it contained inside a beaker or something. Anything that spills over, you want to try and add it back into your container, because this is messy stuff. I think I lifted up some of the paper right there, but I think we'll be fine. There's still quite a bit in there. But for the most part, it's essentially out by now. There's just tiny little bits here and there. But yeah, that's, for the most part, that's mostly out. Won't hurt our yields too much. Here's the manganese dioxide right there. And so what you want to do is that you want to rinse it with water, because it's covered in soluble, water soluble, what's the word? Is you want to rinse it with water, distilled water, because it's covered in water soluble impurities. There's a few other impurities like iron that are there. We'll get rid of that eventually. But I'm gonna get some distilled water. Where's my water? So we'll add some in. And it doesn't matter for the next step if it's wet or not. You just want to get rid of this water because it's what has your impurities in it. Shouldn't really be using a stir bar. So this water, it's just going to have your impurities in it. You want to get rid of the majority of the impurities right now, because the next step is going to convert it to a much more soluble form. And well, we want to get rid of the impurities right now before it becomes much more soluble. And some of it's going to be in suspension like this, which is fine. Just want to stir it really well. Just to take that out. You can see it's dissolved the majority of it, and we should mostly be getting rid of all the impurities by now. So I'm going to go decant this water really quick. Or, well, you can let it sit if you'd like, but yeah, I'm just going to be getting rid of most of it. It doesn't really matter. Just going to get rid of all this water. Okay, so what you can do now is you can either let it sit and recover most of the manganese dioxide, or you can just pour it off as it is and you won't lose too much. But I'm just going to decant what we have right here as it is. Doesn't really matter where you add it. As long as you get rid of most of the water, that's good. So this slurry right here, we're just going to let that sit, and then there's going to be like a fine powder of stuff left over. That's fine. So right here, this is what we wanted. So here we are. I'm gonna open this up really quick. Probably could move a little bit further, shouldn't I? Yeah, I'm gonna move this. So over here. It's raining. Let's do this right here. Hopefully it doesn't spill over. It probably won't, but you never know. Get that in. Spin around. It's just starts smelling like a fucking pool around here, so I'm just gonna... You can hear it reacting. Oh, and that smells like a pool, right? Yeah, holy fuck. And so, well, my lab coat is completely covered in the stuff, but I'll record the next part of the video when I'm done. reacting the manganese dioxide with the hydrochloric acid. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my shitty video on manganese dioxide. Part 2 will come out pretty soon. So until then, see you.